Good day, everyone. Today we will be looking at a widget called the navigation bar. So on WhatsApp, we have a navigation bar. In most of our applications we have. And basically what it does is to take you from one page to the other without you needing to use a drawer or any of that. Okay, so we'll just go straight into it. This is the same project that I used for the login page. So you might see some files that look just like it, or fret not. Okay. All right. So inside the scaffold, we have an argument called button navigation bar. Right. We use Flutter's default navigation bar. Inside it takes in a list of items, a list of button navigation bar items. So this is a widget. It's going to take only this kind of widget inside. All right. So this box bracket here basically signify widgets. Okay, so inside here we will call this widget. We have icons dot home. Okay. Now we save it, we should have an error. Okay, basically the item length should be equal to, okay, greater than or equals to 2. If it's not, it's going to be an error. Okay, so we'll come back here since we only have one item. Then we call in button. We're going to have 3. That's let's use alarm. Now let's have alarm. Icons dot profile. This person. So if we refresh this, we should lose the error. Okay, now it says that each item should have a label. We did not give that the label. Alright, so we come here and you see right here label. It takes in a string. You don't need to put text widgets in there. So we just copy this, paste it here, we reload. That should take away our error. It's coming up. Alright, here it is. Okay, so let's change this to alerts. Oh, we have notification. Notification and profile. Alright, so this is it. So currently we cannot navigate to any page at all. Okay, so inside this particular widget, right before the list of items, we have arguments. We have so many arguments. Right, current index is just to let you know default value, and I think the other one that's there equates whatever value to. Okay, basically these items here in programming, in most programming language, each item here has an index. Okay, so this home is 0, this is 1, this is 2. That's how you calculate it. That's how you number it in multiple programming languages. There's some languages that start with 1, 2, 3, but by default it's 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so it's going to take a method that will change this current index to whatever index you click. All right, so if we click on this, it's going to change our index to 1 here. That's going to default was on page 1. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is right about here, we have an int called underscore current index. So we equate it to 0. Okay. Okay, so this is basically the end that it's not being used. So we put this here, current index. Now this value changes this current index to the value. Okay. Now what's the problem? Okay, let's do this. Alright. Now the reason why I chose to use set state was because we want the app to refresh at multiple instances when we do certain things. So we'll call in a method set state. Then we put this in. Okay, so as you can see, the pages are changing. But now, just so that we can see what's happening here. Right, so by default it is 0, right? So the value, the untapped values at each tap we make, at each tap we make, we want to update this current value that's at default to 0. Because when you open an app, there's a particular page that you miss that not at multiple places. And it's usually the first page. Okay, sorry about that. So it's usually at the first page, and the first page is 0. Right, so even when you restart the app, you have home. Okay, so when you tap on this value to change this current index to 1, change it to 1 back to 0. Alright, now so to just see what's happening, to see the pages change other than the indicator changing, let's create some containers up here. Let's contain is equals to this. Okay, we have container, give it decoration, okay, give it colors dot red. Okay, let's copy this one. This one. This one blue. This one blue. Make this one yellow. Okay. Now save. Okay. So for the body, I want to pass in container contains at the current index. All right. So let's see what happens. As you can see, red, blue, yellow. All right. So that's how to use the default Flutter navigation bar. All right. I will make another tutorial using another type of default navigation bar. Flutter has, I think this particular one is material 2, and then it's another one for material 3. So this particular one is material 2. So I'll make another one for material 3 version of it, which is my favorite actually. And then after that, I will show you how to make your own type of navigation bar. Right? Assuming that the ones that Flutter has is not the one you like, and you want to just switch it up, I'll show you how to make a default one, and you can style it as you wish. Okay, so that's all for this particular tutorial. and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.